How to easily make a perfect color retouch, highlight, and low light.
Okay, so I always like to prepare myself before my clients come in. And today I'm going to be doing a color retouch on her regrowth with permanent Color Matrix and 20 volume because she has gray. I'm also going to be doing her retouch on her highlights, which will be done with Light Master and 20 volume only on her regrowth. And then while that's processing, every other foil will be a low light in Color Sync Demi Alkaline Toner 7M with 10 volume. So we're going to do all of this at once.
And I'm going to start out by doing my color retouch with my permanent color formula. She has about an inch, a little less than an inch of regrowth. I go around and line my partings and very carefully on the top and the bottom of each section that I am preparing her full gray coverage with permanent color. Then as that is processing, I mix up lightener with 20 and my demi alkaline color. So I start to section her off a little bit above the occipital bone because I like to start to add depth from the ears down. Now she has a little bit of natural brown in her hair. So what I like to do is just kind of section out where I think you need it. You just kind of have to eyeball that. And I'm going to place it onto my foil, and I do a light to medium weave. It just depends. Some places I'll put lighter as I move up the head, and I'll do a heavier weave on the bottom or past the occipital. So I put the formula on and I just kind of gently paint this all the way to the ends with that low lighted demi-alkaline color. I do a loose fold up and then I go ahead and drop down my next section. Now the next section that I am beginning to drop is going to be my highlight section. Now she already has highlights in because we previously do them. So next time when I do this highlight, I'm going to go through her hair and I'm going to do a baby fine weave. Now, as I study her hair and I look at it, if she would need to be pulled through to her ends, I most certainly do this at this time. But if they do not, and you're only doing a retouch, I kind of do like maybe 2 to 3 inches for her retouch. I'll push that hair over to the left or to the right and keep it out of the foil. And then that way she's only getting her dark hair highlighted. Fold this up. I like a triangle in the crown because that moves with the shape of the head and it helps with less spotting. And then we have processed her and we are taking her out. We can pull these foils out at the bowl where we can see our beautiful highlight low light. It's our retouch and we're going to melt everything together right here at the bowl. Shampoo this out and we have beautiful color after we've blow dried. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Check out more videos on my channel and don't forget to subscribe.